Friends, today I am going to tell you how you can make thumbnail for your YouTube videos on your Android mobile phone. You have to go to the Google Play Store and type PixelLab in the Google Play search box, and you will get this application on your screen. You have to install it and open it. After opening, you will get lots of backgrounds on this app. You can set as the background for your thumbnail, but if you want to choose one from your gallery, you can press these three dots and then use image from the gallery and select one of the images that is present in your gallery. Okay, I select this and tick option, and now our thumbnail is here, but I need to adjust its size, so I select image size and here I select from the preset YouTube thumbnail. Okay, here our thumbnail background is ready. So now if you want to insert your picture or some icon, then you need to press this and then import photo. You import this, and here you need to crop this as much as possible, and to erase its background I will tell you in the coming session how you can erase the background of your picture. Here I will adjust its position on the screen, and now if you want to enter some text, click on the pencil option and then click on edit text and enter your text. Let me type HD. Okay, done, and okay. Here now I will adjust its fonts adjust the font of the text. First of all, let me choose some good looking font, and it should be visible also on screen even if people visit your YouTube video on small screen mobile phones. So I have selected the font. Now what I need to select is and increase the text size to the desired, and now I will do is enable the background of this text so that it becomes more visible on the background. Okay, and I select here enable and tick option. Here I can select any color. Here I will select a bit greenish color here. Okay, and press the tick option. Now what I need to do is change the color of the text. Here you need to click the color here on the right side of the screen. Here you need to click it and select color by pressing the plus option here, and from the color palette you can select desired color. Let me select a red one. Okay, and click on the tick option. Here it is done, color has changed. Now I will enable the stroke for this because stroke makes it more visible. It gets some beautiful boundary by enabling the stroke. You can also insert the inner shadow or outer shadow also, depending upon the text, depending upon the font you have chosen. You can enable a lot of things. Here I need to background is a bit big, so I need to decrease its top padding and bottom padding also. So now it is okay, all set, and I will press the tick option. Our text is ready. I will adjust its position on the screen. Now I will bring in another picture from the I will import another picture from the gallery. Let me import an icon for the YouTube. If you have icon of what you are going to do, then it is better than writing a text because icon looks good, and I need to crop it. Its background is already erased. To erase the background of your pictures, I will tell you later in the video how you can erase the background of your video photos that you can put on the thumbnail. Please tune in and watch the video till the end. I will adjust the position of the icon. Okay, and now let me edit. Now I can change its background also, or I can enable the shadow also, but it looks good as such, and I can enable even the stroke here also. So now I will insert another text here. Let me press the A option and then edit text. Okay, bring the text box to the desired position. Let me insert the text as thumbnail. After entering the text, you need to press done and then OK. After this, let me adjust its font. As you remember from the first thing, here I will select this font. Okay, now I will increase its size. Second thing after changing the font is increase the size. Okay, I will set this 94. Okay, and adjust it a bit more, because after changing the size its position needs to be corrected again. Now I will enable the background also. Okay, and even you can change the background color also here, whatever you want. Here I will select red, and I will keep the text as white. I will not do anything. I will now decrease the top padding because it is a bit more bigger than the text. I will decrease the bottom padding also because it is more than the text. And now I can enable stroke here. Okay, it makes text more visible. You can enable inner shadow, outer shadow here also, or enable the 3D text also, depending upon the text you have. But our text does not look good if I enable 3D, so I will unenable it. Okay, now our text is ready, and now I will insert another text by pressing A and then edit, bring the text box to the desired position and press the edit pencil here, and I insert another text here. Let me insert for mobile. Okay, done. Okay, and you remember I need to change its size, and let me first of all change the font. You can also make the style bold, or you can also make it italic, underline, etc. I have selected the font. And now I enable the background here. Okay, and what I will do now is increase the size of the text and select its position again. Okay, and now I will change the I will enable stroke first of all. Okay, and stroke color, you can change the stroke color boundary change. Also you can change the radius also and opacity also. Okay, and after this you can even change the perspective of the text also. You can make it look like as if it is coming from the background. And let me select the red color for the text here. Okay, and I'll leave it here. Here if you want to insert some sticker, press this option, and now there are lots of stickers available on the app, like ball, like fire, like talking bubbles, etc. Let me select one of the talking bubbles here, and I will change its size and position, correct its position on the screen as if this image is saying something. And okay, now it is all set. Let me to change its background, I need to change its what you call as the texture. you can change the texture by bringing an image from the gallery. Let me select this one. Okay, I will crop it first of all so that it looks uniform. Now I can increase it a scale or decrease it a scale to here the dark red color looks good, so it is fine here. Now our talking bubble is almost ready. Let me enable stroke. Here it becomes more visible. Okay, and now let us insert some text in the talking bubble, and again you can click on the pencil, then click on edit text and bring the text box to the correct position. Let me insert how to make. Done. Okay, and now what I will do is change the font of the text should be so that it is visible even if people visit your video on a small mobile phone, small screen phone. Okay, it is now very much visible, but to make it more beautiful I will do some more settings like increase text size and change the boundary or enable the what you call as the stroke, and inner shadow, outer shadow can be also changed depending upon the text you have. You can do lots of changes. Our image is thumbnail is ready, and you just need to click this option and save as image and save to gallery. Okay, our thumbnail is saved. How to erase background of your image? You need to type background eraser in the Google Play app, and you will get this app, and here I open this app and load an image from my gallery. I want to erase this. It is background. I will first of all crop it and minimize it as background. Now whatever the background is left, I will erase it here by pressing the auto erase option, and I will hold on the cursor and release it where I want to erase. Release it. Okay, bring the cursor here and release it. Bring the cursor down and release it. Now there are small portions left in the bottom. I will not erase it by the auto eraser option. I will erase it with the help of magic or manual. Let me select the magic eraser. Here I will select it little by little. Okay, you can select the erase it by manual eraser also, but you need to decrease the size of the eraser so that the image is not damaged. Now to okay, done. Now to make the smooth edges, you need to increase the smoothness to 1 2 3 4 5 level. Okay, I will increase it to 3. Okay, and save the image and finish our project. Okay, please do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel Internet World.